Hello, my name is Dan Snedden. Today we're going to show you how to operate the water heater on a Lakota trailer. We've chosen a Bighorn. There are a few more options with the Bighorn, and we'll go through those for you at this time. Okay, the first step is to make sure that you have gas going to your water heater, and in order to do that, make sure your switch is pointed to the proper tank. Come in and open up your gas valve, making sure that you have gas to the water heater. The second step would be to make sure that you have power, whether it's 12 volt power or 110. For 12 volt power, turn on the switch for your 12 volt. For the 110 power, plug in the shore cord or turn on your generator. The next step is to come in and turn on your water heater. The light is a fault switch. If the light stays on, then the water heater is not working properly or it is not lit. So you may turn it off, go through the other procedures, and come back and start it again. The Bighorn water heater has an option that is standard to the Bighorn, which is you have electric over gas, which means you can run either electric to power your water heater or you can use gas. In order to use the electric, there's a switch located underneath your gas valve. You turn that to the on position, and then it will override the gas, and you'll have electric to to heat your water. Once you have your water heater up, functional and operational, once you start to use the hot water, you feel spurts of cold water come in intermittently, you need to come back to the water heater. We have what we call a bypass valve. The bypass valve goes between the hot water line and the cold water line, and if you don't have it turned off, it'll allow cold water to bypass the hot, and that's when you'll feel those spurts. The bypass valve is a valve between the blue line and the red line, water lines. In order for it to be non-functional, you need to turn that valve perpendicular to the water line. To have it on, it needs to be running in line with the water line. And you'll see that in the water heater compartment.